asking me like, LD, why do you love Cheeto so bad? Cheeto is my homegirl. If only she let me. If you just let me just do it like that, Cheeto. You smell amazing. You smell like seeds. Did you know that? Like, this is my girl right here. No one will ever replace my girl Cheeto. Her real name's Bombón Asesino, by the way, if you didn't know. It's just, the love I have for this tiny little thing. The day God decides to take Cheeto away from me is the day I guess he wants me gone as well. Besito. Oh, I love you so much, Cheeto. It's the only way that I can hug her. She knows she doesn't have arms. She only has 2 little legs.